Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fitness Mentor. Today I am showing you leg exercise which you can do anywhere. You don't need a gym to go and make your leg do exercise. So guys, आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ 5 एक्सरसाइजेस जो आप घर बैठे कर सकते हैं. So follow me and just maintain your right posture. That's it. And you have to give soreness to your muscle. Thank you. So guys, welcome back again. So are you guys ready? Okay. So let's start. So exercise number 1, body weight squats. So how to do a free body weight squat? Just first you have to make sure your attire should be comfortable and make sure you wear sports shoes. Second thing will be just take the distance till your shoulder level. Make your toes out. अपने toes को बाहर निकालिए and make sure you see straight. Don't look it down. नीचे नहीं देखना है आपको. So then start. 1, 2, 3. And you should maintain inhale and exhale. When you go down, inhale. When you go up, exhale. And how to correct your body weight squats. So look at yourself from the side. So you should make sure these knees should not go forward to your toes. आपके घुटने आपके legs के आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए. Exercise number 1, body weight squats. So I recommend intermediate जो beginners हैं उनके लिए 20 repetitions. उसके साथ 2 to 3 minutes rest. जो इंटरमीडिएट है, जो अच्छे लेवल पे कर रहे हैं, जिसका 6 months फिनिश हो गया है, they should do at least 50 repetitions, 2 to 3 minutes rest. Exercise number 2, ये एक्सरसाइज आपके quads पे वर्क करेगा. So you should maintain correct body posture, always chin in to maintain right posture. Just take the distance to your shoulder level. Just go 1, 2, 3. This will work on your quads. इसमें थोड़े से आपके घुटने आगे जाएंगे. Okay, we'll go back to the next exercise now. So guys, the third exercise will work on your mostly inner thighs. So this exercise is sumo squats. So what you have to do, just take the wide range of your leg and make your legs toes out. And if you have anything in your home like water bottles or any other heavy items, so you can hold in your hand, be like this, straight, chin in, go deep down. 1, hold. 2, squeeze. 3, squeeze. So this basically will work on your inner thighs. So I suggest to do complete body warm-up and start exercise. So this will not give you cramp in your muscles. So gets back to the next exercise. Okay guys, coming back to 4th exercise. So this exercise is called Bulgarian squat. So you should make sure you balance well, and if you are a beginner, you should hold something and you can do it, or take your friend help. But if you are in intermediate or if you are in advanced level, you can do it easily. So make sure you stand straight, then take your leg backside, take the right position and go a little deep down. 1, squeeze. 2, squeeze, like that. 3, squeeze. Then change your leg. Balance well. Focus, chin in, body structure should be correct. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Guys, you have to make sure correct posture. I'm showing you the side way how to check your Bulgarian squat. Look straight. You have to go deep down. Then hold. So guys, coming back to the last exercise of our episode is walking lunges, the 5th exercise. So lunges, you can do it in 2 ways. So first I will show you one way where you can do it from standing. So just maintain your correct posture, chin in, take your leg forward and go deep down. 1, squeeze. 2, squeeze. 3, squeeze. Then like that, come back. Then go for the next leg. 1, deep down, squeeze. Don't touch your knee with the ground. It chances of getting hurt. So हमेशा balance रखिए, and if you don't have balance, go for the less range of motion. आपका motion, the range of motion जो है ना, उसको थोड़ा कम कर लीजिएगा. आप beginner है. If you're in advanced level or intermediate, you can do it. Start first free, body weight lunges, then go for the weight. Okay guys, so type 2 of your lunges is nothing but walking lunges. So ये exercise से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा effect पड़ेगा, and it will touch your hamstring, it will touch your glutes, quadriceps, overall muscles. If you want a good finish, good muscularity in your legs, this is the best exercise. But always make sure you do it more reps. Go for the advance. Always beat your failure. Okay? So I'll show you walking lunges. How to do now walking lunges. Be prepared. Body posture correct. Chin in. Take leg forward. Squeeze. Then get up. Same position. Then go for the neck leg. 1, 2, 3. So this is a complete leg exercise which you can do it anywhere. Guys, don't miss out your legs. Legs is very important. 50 to 60% of the people ignore leg muscle. Because we stand on your legs, legs is very keen and legs is the biggest muscle. And always try to go to the extreme level. Over there only you give soreness to the muscle. Muscle get breaks, and after that focus on your protein, focus on your diet, focus on your water, focus on your rest. Right. So guys, be ready. I will come up with some new variation where you can do it anywhere, any day, everywhere. Thank you.